Hi, this is Bill Brower for Inside Edge Systems. This is tip 101, setting your platform preferences. We will look at what happens when TradeStation opens, what happens when TradeStation closes, and how to avoid getting locked out. Most TradeStation users never customize the platform preferences. I'm going to show you a reason why this could be a big mistake. When you open the File menu and select Preferences, there are three options: Desktop, Order Entry, and Network. I can see no reason why you would want to change any settings under Order Entry and Network, but under the Desktop menu selection, you'll see a list of 10 menu categories. We're going to look at just 3 of these categories, as the rest are generally set to the optimal parameters. However, I encourage you to look at the other categories and decide if you need to change anything. Under the View category, you will see the default settings to show the title bar of the active window and hide all other title bars. We'll look at what that means in a minute, and you may wish to come back and make a change. Below this are some other settings you may want to examine, particularly the width of the borders. Some of the newer 4K monitors have such fine detail that the borders are so thin they are difficult to grab when resizing windows. Under the Workspace category, the default is to open all workspaces from the previous session. This works fine until it doesn't, and in a minute I will explain the problem. I recommend you choose Do Not Open Any Workspaces. Under the Desktop category, the default prompt on startup is unchecked. You really need to checkmark this. This will pause on startup to allow you to select what workspaces or desktops to open. With the default settings, TradeStation automatically opens all workspaces and desktops from the previous session, which is convenient most of the time. However, if one of the workspaces is corrupt, and they do get that way, TradeStation can hang and fail to open, and there is no abort button. Your only option is to reboot TradeStation and perhaps even reboot your computer. Thereafter, TradeStation will always hang when you open TradeStation. There's no easy way out of it. You are effectively locked out, and it has happened to me. You may need to reinstall TradeStation and may lose work and possibly even any custom code you are using. At best, it's a huge time waster and a royal pain in the caboose. Now, let's look how your windows appear when you choose to show the title bar of the active window. Here we have 2 windows. The left window is easily identifiable from the title bar as Cisco, 5 minutes. The one on the right has no title bar, but it appears when I click in the window. At the same time, the window on the left appears to jump as the title bar disappears. I find all this jumping to be disruptive, but if you are okay with it, you can leave it as the default setting. I prefer the title bar on all windows. Let's go back to the View category under Preferences. Here we can change the default setting to Show Title Bar on Windows selected above. This will always show a title bar on all windows. That is tip 101 from Bill Brower, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.